The winter weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Lucas and Wood. Winter storm warning remains in effect from 7 a.m. this morning to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. Accumulations 8 to 12 inches of snow. Timing: snow will spread northeast across the area this morning. Heavy snow and blowing snow is expected this afternoon and evening. The snow will taper off from west to east Wednesday night. Winds northeast 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Impacts: heavy snow will make travel difficult this afternoon into tonight. The gusty winds from the northeast will also cause considerable blowing and drifting of the snow. Temperatures in the upper 20s. Visibilities could be reduced to near zero at times from the combination of falling and blowing snow Wednesday afternoon and evening. A winter storm warning is issued when severe winter weather is expected. Heavy snow will cause hazardous driving conditions. If you will be traveling in the warning area, you should choose an alternate route if possible, or you should use extreme caution if travel is unavoidable. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for further details or updates. The water temperature off Toledo is 37 degrees, off Cleveland 42 degrees, and off Erie 41 degrees. The Toledo, Ohio climate summary for yesterday, December 25, 2012. Yesterday's high temperature was 34 degrees and the low 24 for a mean temperature of 29 degrees and was 2 degrees above the normal of 27. No precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 1.73 inches. This is 0.46 inches below the normal amount of 2.19 inches for December. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 29.92 inches, which is 3.83 inches below normal. No snow fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 0.8 inches. There were 36 heating degree days yesterday. This brings the monthly total to 675. The yearly total since July 1st of 2012. The normal high temperature for today is 34 degrees, and the normal low is 20. The record height for today is 62, which occurred in 1888, and the record low is -13, which occurred in 1944. Sunrise today is at 8:01 a.m. and sunset is at 5:11 p.m.
Is still going strong. We've still got very gusty wind and heavy snow coming up into parts of Ohio right now. And let's take a look at where the advisories are. Blizzard warnings now still in effect in central parts of Indiana, northwest Ohio, and also right up into Cleveland. And farther north and east, these are winter storm warnings through much of Pennsylvania, New York, and northern New England. You notice here the lack of advisories or just winter weather advisories up and down 95. This is primarily going to be a rainstorm, a very windy rainstorm for the 95 corridor. So as we've mentioned the last couple of days, the storm is being powered by a very strong upper disturbance within the jet stream. It's grabbing up moisture here from the Atlantic now, wrapping it back into the system. There's the colder air that's dropping down behind that system, and the snow still going now into parts of the Midwest and southern lakes in northern Indiana, in Goshen, and also in Muncie, but it really has tapered off in the southwestern part of the state. And wow, did they get a lot of snow. 18 inches just outside of Evansville, Indiana. Now in Ohio, we are seeing heavier snow in Canton and Youngstown. You can see that. Notice the blue there. That's showing you the intensity in the northeastern part of Ohio. Drier air also, though, punching up now in southeastern Ohio. And then you see the snow across much of Pennsylvania as we speak. That is now generally lighter snow, though we are getting some reports of moderate snow. Now here's a look at the forecast totals going forward. Another 6 to 12 potentially in central Ohio. A foot plus there, western New York, Chautauqua, Cattaraugus County, Buffalo, the South Towns, the Finger Lakes, Syracuse, Rochester, and also in northern New England.